Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you what I found yesterday thrifting, and this is my first treasure of the day. This is not just a gold tone bracelet. It's gold filled, which is very good find. As you see, there is a stamp. I found it only for $12. So I think it's a great deal for these kind of bracelets. It has safety chain. It's in very good condition. It's definitely vintage. And I checked the clasp. It works perfectly. I already listed it on eBay. So if you're interested, you can find the link in my profile. But that wasn't only one find from yesterday. The second one is this beautiful necklace. The beads are definitely rose quartz, and as you see, it has beautiful big beads, which is, I think it's called cloisonne. I hope I pronounce it correctly. And this necklace was kind of risky because it was $20. But these gold tone beads, I have idea that they are actually 14 karat gold. They definitely are empty inside, I mean hollow. But if I will prove that they are gold, it's gonna be a definitely good find. Let's test it. I'm gonna use both types of acids for 10 karat and 14 karat. They look for me as 14 carats, but what if they would be 12 carats? So I took the smaller one. Oh, I hate to scratch jewelry, but I have to do that. This is part of the process. You need to give it a hard scratch. And what I see here, I don't see any darkness inside, which is great. So let's first check 14 karat. Okay, it stays. The color stays. Now you see it, right? That's good. I told you I have an eye for gold and silver. I told you. As you see, not 10 karat, not 14 karat acid destroys the color. So it's definitely 14 karat. Yay! Even if it would be just costume jewelry, I could resell it for the same price probably. I'm not losing anything with that risk. But having these result is much better for me. Yay! What a day!